What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today I'm answering a very simple question that I've been receiving tons of emails on, and it's regarding the Ask a Trader webinar that we have set up for our members. Now, Ask a Trader is very simple. This is a webinar that we host twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays for an hour long at 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. And it is a no holds bars webinar where the members of J. Lewis Trading community can come forward online and ask me any questions about any charts that they're curious about. In the back end of Ask a Trader, what we do is we also go over actionable trades that we've taken and that we're setting up to take, whether it's a day trade or it's a swing trade, and there's a lot of strategy talk in our Ask a Trader webinars. What I want to do right now is actually offer you this service for free. That is right. This is generally a paid service, but what I want to do is I want to put it out there. I want to grow the J. Lewis Trading community, and I want to get you guys profitable, and this could be a great first step to understanding who we are, what we do, and how we've gotten so many people profitable in the financial markets. So what I want to do is I want to make you a trade. If you like and subscribe to the channel, mosey on down to the link in the description box below and just click the sign up button to become a member of J. Lewis Trading, and you will receive invites to our Ask a Trader webinars that we host twice a week. And like I said, bring your charts to us, bring any symbol that you want to talk about, and in the back end, sit tight and listen to what the actual team is doing and what we're looking at doing moving forward with the low cap stocks, with the option trades, and even some commodities. So if you want to get involved with the J. Lewis Trading community, by all means, like and subscribe to the channel, and in the description box below, click the sign up link and become a member of the J. Lewis Trading community.